Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
Children of all ages.
Excellent. Today, we're going to do a quick lesson on multiplying two-digit numbers by two-digit numbers. I need to have everyone, and I mean everyone's attention, so that when we go over this, you'll understand it, so that when you have to do some on your own, you'll be able to do that. If at the end of a couple problems you are still struggling, you may always go back and watch on the YouTube. You may always go back and watch on the YouTube. So I'm just going to randomly make up some problems. Yes, Addie, of course I'll call on people to help me solve those problems. Thank you for asking. Thank you for asking. So, while I'm working, I want to be the center of attention. I want everybody to be paying attention to me. I became a teacher so that everybody would look at me. Okay? That's why I'm teaching, so I have an audience. So let's look at our first problem, and I'm just going to say, Austin, give me a two-digit number. 25. Jamie, give me a two-digit number. 35. All right, so I have two factors. I have a factor of 25 and a factor of 35. Numbers that I'm multiplying together are called factors. Okay? I have 25 and I have 35. I'm going to multiply them together to find the product. Product, excellent. If I know my 5 multiplications and my 3 multiplications, I can do this with very little problem. If I don't know my 5s and I don't know my 3s, I probably should be practicing, or I should be looking at my multiplication chart every day until I know them. Now, ironically, when we practice in class, those people that aren't good at multiplication are the ones that aren't paying attention as it's on the screen. Those guys and girls aren't looking, those that are not good at multiplication. And I'll call them and they'll be like, man, I'm no good at multiplication. And then I say, you're no good at English either. Because you wouldn't say I'm no good. Please stop with the pencils. Thank you. Okay, so you gotta want to learn. You have to. So I know my 5s. So class, you're going to answer together. 5 times 5 is?
25.
25. I put my 5 in my ones place. And since I have 25 ones, that's the same as saying 2 10s and 5 ones. Now I multiply 5 times 2 is?
10.
10 plus 2 is?
12.
12. I put my 2 10s, because I have 12 10s. And that's the same as saying 1 100 and 2 10s. I have nothing to carry it to, so I have 125. 5 times 25 was 125.
Yes.
Hey, Jude, come on now. All right, so now I'm done with my ones place. I'm done with what I carried here. I'm starting in my tens place. So essentially what I'm doing is multiplying 25 times 30. I don't want to do all that. So remember, if I'm multiplying and I have a 0 at the end of a number, I just bring it down. Multiply what's left. What is 3 times 5?
15.
15, carry the 1. What's 3 times 2?
6.
Plus 1.
7.
So 30. Did we do that? Did we do that right? 15, 15, 6, 7. Okay? So now, are you with me? Because 3 times 25 is 75. So obviously 30 times 25 is 750. Anytime I'm dealing with like 25s, I think of money. So if I have 3 quarters, I have 75 cents. It's just the way I do it, okay? All right, so then I add my two products together.
Yeah, 875.
875. But again, all I had to know is my 5 times tables and my 3 times tables. Let's see if Kelly, pick me a 2-digit number.
17.
Oh, you want to give me a 2-digit number? Addison, give me a 2-digit number.
35.
35. Doesn't matter.
She just picked 5.
It doesn't matter. Now again, it's very easy. I multiply my 5 by 17. I multiply my 3 by 17, and I add the two products together. Factor of 17, factor of 35. Those are what factors are. Product is my answer. So 5 times 7 is?
35.
5. 3. 5 times 1 plus 3?
8.
I'm done with my ones place. I'm done with what I carry. Now basically what I'm multiplying here is 30 times 17 because 3 in the tens place is a value of 30. I don't want to do 30 times 17. I want to do 3 times 17. So using our 0 rule, I can just move that straight down. 3 times 7 is?
21.
21. I have 110. I carry my 2.
Wait,
3.
no. It's 20. Oh, wait. Sorry, I thought it was 12.
Okay. 3 times 1 is? 3 plus 2? 5. I had 85 is the product of 5 times 17. 510 is the product of 30 times 17. So I have to add those two together. 595. Question. If you're still struggling with this, watch this again. We'll practice more today. Boom shakalaka. Peace out. Love y'all. Have a blessed day.